Class number 20 continuation. Class number 20 continuation. Example number 28, page number 456. Very important problem for coming 3 marks. Write down, let A vector, comma, B vector and C vector be 3 vectors such that modulus A vector is equal to 3, comma, modulus B vector is equal to 4, comma, modulus C vector is equal to 5, and each one of them being perpendicular to the sum of the other two. Find modulus A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Very important. Okay, see answer. What is given? Modulus A value is equal to 3, modulus B value is equal to 4, modulus C value is equal to 5. Each one of them, that means A vector, B vector, C vector is perpendicular to the sum of the other two. Suppose if you take A vector, that vector is perpendicular to the sum of remaining two, that means B vector plus C vector. So B vector is perpendicular to A vector plus C vector. C vector is perpendicular to A vector plus B vector. So if two vectors are perpendicular means that implies so their dot product value is equal to 0. So A vector dot B vector plus C vector is equal to 0. From this B vector dot A vector plus C vector is equal to 0. From this C vector dot A vector plus B vector is equal to 0. So what is given? So given modulus A vector is equal to 3, modulus B vector is equal to 4, modulus C vector is equal to 5. So we should find out this value. So we know the formula, modulus A vector square is equal to A vector dot A vector. From this formula we can write modulus A vector plus B vector plus C vector square is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector dot A vector plus B vector plus C vector. That is equal to, if you take A vector, if you apply to all these three, you will get A vector dot A vector plus A vector dot remaining two, that means B vector plus C vector. So with A vector it is over. Now take B vector. So apply these three. Then plus B vector dot B vector. So plus B vector dot remaining two means A vector plus C vector. So plus. Now take C vector. So if you take C vector, so C vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector plus B vector. Next, that is equal to A dot A is equal to modulus A vector square plus this value is equal to 0 plus modulus B vector square plus that value is 0. So modulus A vector square, next value is 0. So from these three. So write them fast. Next, so modulus A vector plus B vector plus C vector square is equal to So what is this value? This value was given 3. So 3 square plus, so 0 limit. So modulus b value is 4. So 4 square plus 5 square, that is equal to, so 9 plus 16 plus 25, that is equal to, so 15. So modulus a vector plus b vector plus c vector square is equal to 15. Therefore modulus a value plus a vector plus b vector plus c vector is equal to root 50, that is equal to root 25 into 2, that is equal to 5 root 2. So this value is 5, so 5 root 2, that is the answer. Okay, so write them fast. Very important problem. Okay, sometimes they will change values. In the place of 3, 4, 5, they will give, okay, some other values. You just substitute. Next, miscellaneous exercise problem number 1. So here we will discuss some important problems only. Okay, so remaining problems we can solve. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, we can discuss in classroom. After limit of vectors, we will discuss 3D chapter. Okay, so miscellaneous exercise. Problem number 1. Write down a unit vector. Write down a unit vector in xy plane. Making an angle 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. That is a problem. Okay, see, so write down a unit vector in xy plane making an angle is 30. So here you can take angle, let theta is equal to 30 degrees. So unit vector you can assume r vector. So let a unit vector in xy plane is r vector. That implies is r vector. That implies modulus r vector is equal to 1. Why? Unit vector magnitude value is equal to 1. Next, therefore required unit vector in xy plane r vector is equal to, so modulus r vector into cos theta plus modulus r vector into sin theta. That is the formula. Next, so modulus r value is equal to 1. So 1 into, so cos theta value is given 30 degrees plus, sorry, here okay you can write I cap, here j cap, sorry. So modulus r vector into cos theta into I cap plus modulus r vector into sin theta into j cap. There is no k cap. Why? Because there is no z axis, only xy plane. Okay, so in xy plane z is equal to 0. Next, So here 1 into sine and it, so that is equal to 1 into cos 30 degrees into I cap plus 1 into sine 30 degrees into j cap, that is equal to cos 30 degrees value is equal to root 3 by 2 into I cap plus sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 into j cap. This is the answer. Okay, write down. Next, problem number 2. So problem number 2 is find a scalar components. Find a scalar components and magnitude of the vector joining the points P x1 comma y1 comma z1 and Q x2 comma y2 comma z2. That is the problem. Okay, very easy problem. So he is asking, so find a scalar components and magnitude of the vector joining the points. So joining the points P and Q means, so PQ vector is equal to, so x2 minus x1 into I cap. That means PQ vector means OQ minus OP. So this is OP vector, this is OQ vector if you converting into vector model. So x1i plus y1j plus z1k, x2i plus y2j plus z2k. So direct I can write. Okay, so y2 minus y1 into j cap plus z2 minus z1 into k cap. So here scalar components are, so scalar components is equal to x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. Those are the scalar components. Next, magnitude of PQ, that means modulus PQ is asking magnitude of PQ means modulus PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay, right now that is a magnitude of the vector joining P and Q. So this is one answer, this is second answer. Next, problem number 5, very important. Okay, one time they asked in annual exam. So problem number 5. So problem number 5 is very important for 1 mark. Find the value of x. Find the value of x for which x into I cap plus j cap plus k cap is a unit vector. You have to find x value, that is a problem. Okay, so this vector is equal to unit vector. That means magnitude of x into I plus j into, x into I cap plus j cap plus k cap is equal to 1. So this is unit vector. Unit vector means magnitude value is equal to 1. Magnitude value means modulus value is equal to 1. Now multiply. So x into I, so xi plus xj plus xk is equal to 1. So apply magnitude value, that means square root of x square plus x square plus x square is equal to 1. Root of the 3x square is equal to 1. That means root 3 into x. Otherwise, so both sides, if you apply a square on both sides, square on both sides, then 3x square is equal to 1. Then x square is equal to 1 by 3. Then x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 3. That is the answer. Okay. Write down. Next last problem. So last problem number 6. Problem number 6. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector of magnitude 5 units. 5 units. And parallel to the resultant of the vectors a vector is equal to 2i plus 3j minus k cap, and b vector is equal to I cap minus 2 into j cap plus k cap. That is a problem. Already we solved like this problem in previously. So I will give you hints. Okay, you can solve this problem. See, so find a unit vector. He is asking, okay, unit vector. That magnitude value is equal to 5. So parallel to resultant vector. Resultant means, okay, so a vector come b vector. Result vector means a vector u plus b vector. First you should find out a vector u plus b vector. So you will get one vector. Okay, you will get one vector. You will get one result vector. That result vector you can assume C. Okay, you can say that vector is C vector. After that, okay, you can find out magnitude of C vector. Okay, next, therefore, unit vector is equal to C vector u by magnitude of C vector. Therefore, required, okay, required unit vector is, so 5 into C vector u by modulus C vector. Okay, that means you will get one unit vector. That unit vector magnitude given, so multiply with 5. You will get, okay, last answer. So you can do this problem homework. Okay, so remaining problems we can discuss in next class. So in next class, okay, this chapter will be complete. New chapter we can start. Thank you, students.